Hey everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted this magic wand and it is going to turn on my tree because it comes with this really cool plug that you put into the wall, and then you plug your lights into here. And then when you turn this on and turn your wand on right here, you do need a battery that you put in the back, and it comes with a little screwdriver so you can get that lid off of there. Then you shake your wand and point it out at the tree and your lights come on. So let's plug it in. Again, you're going to take this part and put it in the wall. You can plug more than one strand in. So I have a lighted star on the top of my tree. I'm going to plug that into my set of lights that are going to light up on this tree. Spectacular. I cannot say enough great things about it. It is so easy to set up. You essentially put in a battery into the wand, you plug the outlet into the wall, and then just plug all of your lights into there. Wave that magic wand and the twinkling begins. You feel like Tinkerbell. We cannot say enough great things about this. We absolutely love it, and we had so much fun with this. This is magical. Put several in your cart and give them to all of your friends. We love it.